on how to preach to an ungrateful person. You see, preaching is an art. When you're preaching to the person, a preacher must assess his sincerity, assess the level that he is in, and also assess his ability to grasp what he is. Like, say, for example, you may be a PhD, but when you go to a kindergarten school, you don't give your full PhD spill there, right? You teach them according to their ability to understand. So when it comes to preaching, we have to see how the person is. Like, if he is ungrateful, but if he is not offensive, then yes, you can give it a try. But generally, it has been advised that it's better to avoid the offensive people, especially those who are not really willing to listen to you, who are just going to simply try to find faults in what you are saying. It's better to avoid those people because it's a waste of time.